are inside the firebox on the KozyKing furnace. So you can see you do have fire brick on both sides of the unit that extends about halfway up. So I can show you that. The back of the unit is not going to be fire brick, it is going to be the metal. On the sides you do have the combustion air tubes on each side here, and then located up at the top here of the unit, let's see, you have 3 separate air tubes. So I'm trying to light this up so you can see it. 1, 2, 3. That's what's going to give you the high efficiency level.